How do coral polyps and zooxanthellae live together? Imagine tiny creatures working side by side in one of the most colorful and bustling places on Earth. That's what happens in coral reefs, where coral polyps and zooxanthellae form a special team. Coral polyps are small, soft animals that look like tiny cups with tentacles. They live attached to the reef skeleton and grow in large colonies. Zooxanthellae are microscopic algae that live inside the tissues of these polyps. They are photosynthetic, meaning they use sunlight to make their own food through a process called photosynthesis. This partnership is a perfect example of mutualism, where both partners benefit. The zooxanthellae get a safe place to live inside the coral's tissues, away from predators and harsh conditions. They also have access to the carbon dioxide and waste products like nitrogen and phosphorus from the coral, which they use to carry out photosynthesis. In return, the zooxanthellae produce sugars, amino acids, and other nutrients that supply up to 90% of the coral's energy needs. This energy helps the coral grow, reproduce, and build the calcium carbonate skeleton that forms the structure of coral reefs. The presence of zooxanthellae also gives corals their bright colors. The algae contain pigments that tint the coral tissue, making reefs vibrant and lively. Without this partnership, corals would struggle to survive in the nutrient-poor waters of tropical oceans. The energy from the algae supports the entire reef ecosystem, providing food and habitat for countless marine animals. This relationship is very sensitive to environmental changes. When ocean temperatures rise or pollution increases, corals can become stressed and may expel their zooxanthellae. This causes coral bleaching, which weakens the coral and can lead to its death if conditions don't improve. The loss of corals affects the whole reef community, as many sea animals depend on coral reefs for shelter and food. So, in simple terms, coral polyps and zooxanthellae live together through a close partnership. The algae give the corals energy through photosynthesis, and the corals provide a safe home and raw materials for the algae. This teamwork keeps coral reefs thriving and supports the incredible diversity of life found in these ocean habitats.